Welcome back! In the previous video, we covered the first 100 most common English verbs used in daily life. In this lesson, we with 100, focusing on how these verbs are naturally used in real conversations, work situations, and everyday English. Just like before, each verb will be explained with simple and clear example sentences, starting easy and becoming more natural, so you can understand, remember, and use them confidently. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences if you want, and let's continue learning the most common English verbs together. My friend Irem will be teaching our lesson today.
Hi everyone, I'm Rem, and I hope this is a good lesson. Don't forget to practice a lot. If you're ready, let's begin. 101. Accept. I accepted. She accepted the offer. He accepted the job because it was a great opportunity. 102. Achieve. I achieve goals. She achieved success. He achieved his dreams by working hard every day. 103. Act. Act now. He acted quickly. She acted calmly during the emergency. 104. Allow. Allow me. They allow pets. The teacher allowed us to leave early. 105. Appear. It appears. He appeared suddenly. She appeared confident during the presentation. 106. Apply. Apply here. I applied online. She applied for the job last week. 107. Approve. Approve it. They approved the plan. The manager approved the budget easily. 108. Argue. Don't argue. They argue often. He argued with his friend about money. 109. Attend. Attend class. I attend meetings. She attends English lessons every weekend. 100. And become. Become better. He became famous. She became a teacher after graduation. 111. Behave. Behave well. Kids behave badly. He behaved politely during the interview. 112. Borrow. Borrow it. I borrowed money. She borrowed a book from the library. 113. Care. Care about it. I care about you. She cares deeply about her family. 114. Check. Check this. Check the email. He checked the report before sending it. 115. Collect. Collect coins. She collects stamps. They collect data for the research. 116. Compare. Compare prices. Compare these two. He compared the old phone with the new one. 117. Complete. Complete it. Complete the task. She completed the project on time. 118. Consider. Consider this. I consider it. He considered moving to another city. 119. Continue. Continue now. Continue working. She continued studying despite being tired. 120. Control. Control it. Control emotions. He controls his anger very well. 121. Cost. It costs much. The ticket costs $10. The repair cost more than expected. 122. Cover. Cover it. Cover the table. She covered the topic in detail. 123. Damage. Damage it. The storm damaged houses. The accident damaged the car badly. 124. Deliver. Deliver food. They deliver packages. The company delivers orders on time. 125. Demand. Demand respect. They demand answers. People demanded better working conditions. 126. Describe. Describe it. Describe the problem. She described her experience clearly. 127. Design. Design logos. He designs websites. She designed a modern house. 128. Destroy. Destroy it. The fire destroyed homes. The storm destroyed the entire village. 129. Discover. Discover it. I discovered a place. She discovered a new talent. 130. Discuss. Discuss plans. We discussed ideas. They discussed the issue for hours. 131. Drop. Drop it. Drop the bag. He dropped his phone accidentally. 132. Earn money. She earns well. He earns money by teaching online. 133. Encourage. Encourage me. Teachers encourage students. She encouraged him to keep going. 134. Enter. Enter here. Enter the room. They enter the building quietly. 135. Expect results. I expect news. She expects good results from the exam. 136. Fail. Fail now. He failed once. She failed the test, but tried again. 137. Fix. Fix it. Fix the door. He fixed the problem quickly. 138. Focus. Focus here. Focus on work. She focused on improving her English. 139. Force. Force it. Don't force me. They forced him to apologize. 140. Gain weight. Gain experience. He gained confidence after practice. 141. Guess it. Guess the answer. She guessed the correct number. 142. Handle it. Handle stress. He handled the situation professionally. 143. Hate it. I hate noise. She hates waking up early. 144. Hide here. Hide the key. He hid the gift under the bed. 145. Hit it. Hit the ball. The car hit the tree. 146. Hurry up. He hurried home. She hurried to catch the bus. 147. Include me. Include details. The price includes all services. 148. Increase speed. Prices increased. The company increased salaries this year. 149. Influence people. Media influences kids. Social media influences daily behavior. 150. Invite me. Invite friends. She invited everyone to the party. 151. Kill time. The virus kills cells. Smoking kills millions every year. 152. Lend money. Can you lend me? He lent his car to a friend. 153. Lie down. Don't lie. He lied about his age. 154. Limit time, limit usage. They limited access to the building. 155. Link pages, link ideas. He linked the theory with practice. 156. Listen carefully. Listen to music. She listens to podcasts every day. 157. Lock the door. He locked the car before leaving. 158. Mention it. She mentioned you. He mentioned the problem briefly. 159. Notice this. I noticed him. She noticed a mistake in the text. 160. Offer help. They offered coffee. He offered her a better deal. 161. Own it. I own a car. She owns a small business. 162. Plan ahead. Plan a trip. They planned the event carefully. 163. Point there. Point at it. He pointed at the mistake. 164. Prefer tea. I prefer coffee. She prefers studying in the morning. 165. Prepare food. Prepare notes. He prepared for the exam. 166. Protect it. Protect nature. The law protects workers' rights. 167. Prove it. Prove your point. She proved her innocence. 168. Receive it. Receive emails. He received a gift yesterday. 169. Reduce cost. Reduce stress. They reduced prices last month. 170. Refuse it. He refused help. She refused to answer the question. 171. Remove it. Remove shoes. They removed the old system. 172. Replace it. Replace parts. He replaced the broken screen. 173. Report it. Report news. She reported the issue to the manager. 174. Request help. Request information. He requested a meeting. 175. Respect rules. I respect you. They respect different cultures. 176. Risk it. Risk money. He risked everything to succeed. 177. Save money. Save time. She saved enough money to travel. 178. Search online. Search files. He searched for his lost keys. 179. Select one. Select options. She selected the best candidate. 180. Serve food. They serve customers. The restaurant serves breakfast all day. 181. Set goals. He set a reminder on his phone. 182. Shut the door. She shut the window quietly. 183. Solve it. Solve problems. He solved the issue quickly. 184. Sound good? It sounds strange. Your idea sounds interesting. 185. Support me. Support the team. They supported him during hard times. 186. Suppose so. I suppose yes. She supposed he was late. 187. Survive it. Survive winter. They survived the accident. 188. Touch it. Don't touch. She touched his shoulder gently. 189. Travel far. Travel abroad. He travels for work often. 190. Treat me. Treat patients. They treated him kindly. 191. Trust me. Trust people. She trusts him completely. 192. Use tools. He uses English at work. 193. Visit us. Visit places. They visited Istanbul last year. 194. Vote now. Vote online. She voted for the first time. 195. Warn me. Warn people. He warned her about the danger. 196. Wash hands. Wash clothes. She washed the dishes after dinner. 197. Waste time. Waste money. He wasted hours on social media. 198. Wish luck. I wish peace. She wishes to improve her English. 199. Worry less. Don't worry. He worries about his future. 200. Watch this. Watch TV. They watched a movie together. We finished with the 100 to 200 most frequently used words. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next vocabulary video.
I can send the vocabulary list 500 to everyone who likes and comments on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.